Hey, what's up? I'm Quentin from SNEED Coding Solutions, and one of the more common questions we get on the phones or in chat is, how long will my ink cartridge actually last? It's a good question, and the most honest answer is, it depends on what you're printing. Factors like print height and the size of your message can affect the longevity of your ink cartridge. However, we do have some estimates based off of our cartridges, and don't worry, we will cover how to save some ink with some useful tips and best practices later. Let's dive in. Starting off with our SNEED-JET Titan cartridges, at a character height of just 1/10 of an inch, a single cartridge can print more than 18 million characters. Increase that print height to 1/8 of an inch and you're still looking at over 9 million characters. At 1/4 of an inch tall, you can print more than 3.6 million characters, and at a 1/2 inch character height, which is the highest that the SNEED-JET Titan cartridge can go, you'll get over 900,000 characters from a single cartridge. The higher your print height, the more ink you'll use. Let's move on to our SNEED-JET Freedom cartridges now. With a Freedom cartridge at 1/10 of an inch tall, a cartridge can print more than 17 million characters. At 1/8 of an inch, over 8 million characters. At 1/4 inch, approximately 3.5 million characters. At 1/2 inch, over 800,000 characters. And at a full 1 inch character height, you can still print more than 400,000 characters from a single cartridge. As you can see, the Freedom gives you the flexibility to print big when you need it, like in case coding, without sacrificing efficiency at smaller sizes like small traceability codes. Now, let's talk about the SNEED-JET Infinity cartridges. For the Infinity cartridges, at 1/10 of an inch tall, you can print over 11 million characters. At 1/8 of an inch, over 5.8 million characters. At 1/4 inch, more than 1.3 million characters. And at 1/2 inch tall, which is the highest that the SNEED-JET Infinity cartridges can go, you are looking at over 360,000 characters. Again, larger messages require more ink, while smaller traceability codes can run for an incredibly long time on a single cartridge. A quick reminder that these are just estimates and there are several factors that could make your ink run out faster. Your actual cartridge life will vary based on several factors, such as the amount of information you're printing, whether you're printing text, logos, barcodes, or graphics, print density settings, and your print height. A simple date code uses much less ink than a large logo or a barcode. If you're looking to maximize your cartridge life, here are a few simple tips. First, print only as large as your application requires. Larger characters consume more ink than smaller ones. Second, keep logos and graphics as simple as possible. Large, filled-in graphics require a lot of ink. And third, use the appropriate print density for your application. In many cases, you can reduce density while still maintaining excellent readability. Another important note is that all SNEED-JET ink cartridges have a shelf life of 1 year, so be careful if you're trying to buy in bulk. Also, make sure to store your cartridges properly when not in use by putting the cartridge clip back on and storing in a dry area. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Send us your message layout, print size, and your production requirements, and we will try to help you determine approximately how long a cartridge could last in your environment. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then let us know, and we might cover cost per print next. Bye, y'all.